How to log out of Brainly account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to log into your Brainly account. If you don't know how to log in, then you can watch my previous video where I have made a tutorial on how to log in. After logging into your account, you'll be able to see the home page of Brainly. From over here, you can search for answers to any questions so that you'll be helped on your learnings. So in order to log out, you have to click on your profile in the right upper corner and you'll be able to see the logout option, so you have to simply click on there. And by doing that, you will be directly logged out of your account. So by following this simple step, you can log out the Brainly account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.